Today I'm going to show you different types of folded leaflets we provide. Half fold, Z fold, concertina fold, cross fold, roll fold, gate fold, map fold. To ensure your text is placed the correct way up, it is advisable to print a copy of the leaflet yourself to make sure it is visually functional once folded. If you need advice, you could always ask our customer service team before supplying artwork. For double-sided leaflets, make sure your artwork is backed up correctly before placing your order. Need more help with this? Why not check out our video on how to back up artwork? Sign up to Where the Trade Buys today and you'll receive 20% off your first order. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on how to get the most from Where the Trade Buys.